Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a sketch text effect in Adobe Illustrator. First, create a new artboard. The size really doesn't matter. Then type your text, sketch. Then change the font to some kind of bold font. I will use Montserrat. And this one looks fine. Make a copy of the same font. And the first one, change the color to some type of gray color. This one looks fine. And the second one, change the fill to a stroke. And that's fine. You can increase the stroke size if you want. Now select the first text and go to Effect, Stylize, Scramble. Now you can play with the sliders and look which one looks best for your situation. This one looks fine for me. And now click on OK. And do the same for the stroke one also. Effect, Stylize, Scramble, and click on OK. Now select both of the text and make them center aligned. And that's how you can create a sketch text effect in Adobe Illustrator. If this video was helpful for you, give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, you can always ask me on the comment section. I'll see you soon on the next video.